Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
How do? Welcome to number 21, switcher pole mounting bracket. Okay, let's get on with it. So, I went ahead and printed this off. Looked a bit weird, so I need to alter the bottom bracket. Alter the bottom bracket, and because I think it needs to be flat, really. Maybe. So let's have a look at it now. I'll show you how to print out. Hang on. Might as well show you the printout. So I went ahead and printed the cover and the base, and came out okay. Just looked a bit top heavy. Okay, so there's the top cover, and we've got the switcher inside there that sits in a profile of the stepper motor, which you could probably just see in the bottom. It's not brilliant. It does stay in there, but it just, if you wobble it, it'll stay in there, but if you do go like that, it will come out. So I need to alter that, and I don't think, let's just get rid of that a minute. I don't think we need it like this shape, so I might just make it square, and then I can bring the bottom up a bit around the stepper motor just to hold it a bit more secure. Then we'll have some more space here, so let's just do that. It shouldn't be too difficult. It's mostly there. The switch is basically finished. I went ahead and made another one. Still waiting for the parts to come for that third one. So I'll just put this back together. So you've got three on the back. One for your feed line and two for some cables. Control cable, so it looks a bit weird looking thing. So when we're finished, it'll be flat on the bottom as well, but then we need to also incorporate in the bottom a mounting bracket, pole mounting bracket. So basically you can mount it on a pole, take the weight off it, and then we can just remove the lid at will. Just pop it on. So you see what I mean in the model. Anyway, let's just get on with that. Alright. So here we go. So let's just have a look at the bottom. First we need to make it square. So we do that. So we're going to have to mess with it a bit. Just to make it sit flat, basically, without toppling over. So I need to get rid of the bottom bit, really. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll draw some geometry. So we're just going to go down. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll grab some of this. This is exactly what we want. And we'll just probably just pull it down, but anyway, let's just do it the other way. Yeah, so this is probably going to be the last of the designing for the physical object. So I need to make a copy of that. I need to bring that down in the down axis, just level with that there. That's it. Yeah, and I can just fill it in. I just fill this in, go all the way around it, so we're going to end up with something like this instead. So yeah, we want to finish this design off now. The switching system works okay, so it's a matter of finishing, well, creating a web interface. What I'm going to do though, when this is the last one for the physical. So I'll build it and we'll put all the designs on, we'll share it on Maker World, I think it is. Alright, so I've got that there. How do I... Yes, we've got it there. I just need to... I don't know how to do it. Oh, there you go. So, should be able to get rid of that now. Yeah. So once we've got the shell done, I need to then do it in 3D for a while. Alright, so I've got to get rid of some of the stuff so I can get rid of the outer. Yeah, so what we're going to be doing after this, just altering this, and we'll make a pole mounting bracket to fit, so this base actually fits onto a pole mounting bracket. So you can basically cable tie it to a scaffold pole, whatever it is you got that you can mount it to. And so once I've got that bit done, I can just concentrate on the software then. So I'll get these files available. I was thinking, if you haven't got a CNC milling machine, and all you can do is 3D print the upper and lower plates in plastic, and just get some tin foil, thick as you can, and just basically create it, you know, rub it on, similar to a chocolate sweet that's wrapped in tin. So get it to adhere, you know, whatever you got to do, glue it on, fold it neatly. Maybe that's the way of doing it. Getting your Faraday cage or your grounding shield. If you can't get it CNC'd, you can print it out of plastic and just go ahead and just do it. Alright, so I need to get rid of some more stuff here. This bit here. So I'll go around this anyway. I haven't switched my radio on for a day or two. I suppose we could put the radio on. I don't think there's anyone about. It's Wednesday, no, it's Thursday, isn't it? It's Thursday, so maybe I'll put something on. I'll leave it on scanning for a bit. Alright. So yeah, we've got to get this finished anyway. So what we want is to people to be able to really print all the bits, get up to scratch with it, catch up, and so I'll get the print files ready for printing, so anyone can print it. And I'll do a bill of materials, some references. I'll tell you what I want to do as well. I want to do a 10-minute from start to finish overview of this project. Just on, not on the live stream, but on the main channel, but the main non-live. Alright, so I'm gonna go up. So I want to go up, so I'll go up, then I want to go to there, but I want to go down 2 mil. So this is the base. I think it's bigger than 2 mil, isn't it? Let's try and work out the size of the base. 4 mil. It's actually 4 mil. Okay, 4 mil's okay. So what I need to do is undo, draw the line. I need to find out the size from there to the top. 41.1 mil less 4 is 37.1. Okay, so I'll go 37.1. That'll do it. There's you got your 4 mil. Yeah. So I'll just go around doing 37.1. We're going to make this flat rather than this weird, just because it's top heavy. It'll be a bit easy to make a bracket, mounting bracket for it. I think nothing doing on the radio, is there? Let's stick it on airband then. Oh, it's got a few to do. It's like they're not there. One more, I think. Right, that's it. That should be it, shouldn't it? So we're doing the internal bit, so I just need to link that up there, link that up with there, link that up with there, and oh no, that's the wrong one. Undo that.
Ryanair 182 X-ray, you can expect flight number 180, Zurich, wind ready, descent power 250.
Wind ready, descent flight level 250 and expect 180, Zurich, Ryanair 182 X-ray.
Mark 65 Tango, wind ready, descent flight level 200, level 10 miles.
Okay, so we've got the sort of inner.
Descent flight level 200,
I think I need a...
65 Tango.
Probably need to draw a line from there.
London, good evening, Top Jet 313, flight level 340 to unfit for the 61
Right, so I've got that there. I can then start braking.
313, Mike 12, thank you, direct to fixing.
I need that still.
Direct to fixing, Top Jet 313.
Yeah, still need that. So let's see if we can get rid of some stuff. So break this apart.
Logan 5 Papa Sierra, contact Cardiff radar 125.855.
Cardiff radar 125.855, Logan 5, Papa Sierra.
Okay, so what have we got now? Sort of. Got an extra line there. We don't need the line there. Looks a bit like a building. A Roman building. Right, so we've got that there. What else have we got? Oh yeah. That's weird. Right, so we've got that there. So what we need to do now is take it out of X-ray mode a minute. And let's probably reverse the faces. Oh no, that was actually okay. Just need to colour the face. Is that a line? Yeah, it is. That's it, we just need to delete the lines. That's the old line. Right, so we've got this one here that we need to colour. Is that the right colour? Yeah. So we need to colour the top. Okay, we probably need to do an indent of 1 mil. 1 mil enough, maybe. And we need to grab all of this out a bit. Is that right? Yeah. I'll just fetch that down. 1 mil. That's it. Okay, so we've got that inner bit done by the looks of it. Right, let's just have a look inside it this time. Right, so we've got I need to colour that properly. Okay, so now what we wanted to do, let's just have a look in 3D X-ray mode. Let's have a look. So it looks like we've got everything we wanted from it. Yeah. I think we could lose something on the thickness on the base. 4 mil's a bit too much, so let's go down a bit there. So what we'll do is we'll go down to we'll go down a mil, 1 millimeter. So what we'll do is I'll go like this, and right, I think I've first got to take that down a millimeter.
221 speed to double control 135.655.
And then we'll take these down. Do we gotta do that a millimeter as well? Or is that already done? Okay, so we'll, yeah, oops. Yeah, so we've done, let me just undo what I've just done. Okay, so it's got somehow it's got 2 lines on it anyway. Redo push pull. And we'll go down a millimetre. Right, we'll have a look at that. Let's have a look at that. Andy Crowley, how you doing? Hi Dave, how you doing? I'm doing alright, mate.
Just showing 3 minutes for you at the moment. You can, when ready, to send flight 1270.
Thanks for coming on again.
When ready to send flight 1270, Shamrock Training.
Yeah, I've built, I 3D printed the 2 bits of case.
182 X-ray,
It's turned up like this, like 3 at the back. It's not too bad, but it's a bit unstable. Ooh, makes a right noise. So you got your caps, not too bad, but this bit down here, it's a bit weird. So I'm going to make this square, this bit square like this, so, and build onto this bottom a scaffold mounting bracket. So build the bracket off it. So you mount that and cable tie it or whatever to the scaffold. Then you can move this on and off freely while that still stays mounted, if you know what I mean. Yeah. That's the idea anyway. Like finish off. So you want to finish off this design, so I've just redesigned this a little bit. I'm just having a look if that's deep enough. I don't want it to. You might have to put a couple of tiny drain holes just in case it's raining and you want the moisture to go. Right, so then what I want to do now, I'll probably bring that up 0.5 of a mil, and I need a bit of a shroud round it, so a taller shroud. So if I give it a bit of a wall in the middle, so it only needs to be about, say, let's just say 1.5 mil, and we'll bring that up. Let's bring it up, I don't know, just to cover the stepper motor. Let's have a look. Whatever that is, whatever that thickness is there. So let's have a look what that is. That'll do. So it's 8 mil. Yeah, 8 millimeters. So we've got what we've got so far, 1.5. So if I bring this up, 6.5. 6.5 mil, and we'll have 8 mil. That'll do, and I'll just bring that back. Oops. So I'll just bring that back. Can I do that? Yeah, bring that back. Another couple of mil. Give it a bit of space. Okay. Right, so we've got that there. So it can sit in that cup. That'll stop it rocking. And we'll have some space around it as well. Alright, let's just take the lid off a minute. Alright, we can bring back oh, it's come out of there. So yeah, so you'll see something like that. It'll just sit in the cup, help hold it still. Now you want your cables are going to come in from all angles, so I don't know whether to make the feed and the power cable near the bracket, at the bracket end. That's fully clockwise position, I think that is. Hang on. So let's just make sure. Where's the green one? Hang on. Yeah. That's fully clockwise position. So yeah, so that makes sense for this to be the bracket side. Then you got antenna 7, antenna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and then it just makes sense. I don't know what sense, some kind of logical sense. And so if that sat down there, there you go. Put that back on there. Right. So that'll sit like that. Now is that too high now? It is a little bit too high now, isn't it? We're higher. Hang on, let's go sideways on. See how high we see the top of the knob's there. So we could shrink it a bit. Now when the lid goes on there, so that's okay. If we can work out how much to get rid of, well, actually want to go like that. 9mm. So let's give it a millimetre. Give it 1mm, and so we can get rid of 8mm. So let's just go into this a minute and shrink the whole thing by 8mm. Just like this. That's it, 8mm. Okay, we will have to move that up, the whole assembly up by, well, let's just choose everything, up by 8mm as well. Okay, that's it. Now these don't line up. Right, so I need to shrink them by 8mm. Oh, I can't do that. No, I can't do what I've just done because I'm not altering the lid. Now the lid won't line up. But yeah, the lid goes on there, but the coax will come downhill. It's probably better if it's downhill. So maybe it doesn't come straight out, but it's drooping downhill. So, I don't know. Let's have a think. Yeah, it should be alright, I think. They still line up, yeah, so if I move them up, they won't line up, so in a minute they line up. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. It doesn't directly line up anymore. Hang on. So it doesn't directly line up, but it's coax, so you screw it on there and it'll hang down. At least it'll start to hang down with the angle. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. So all I need to do now then is the lid will be the same. Yeah, so I've got to design the bracket to go with it now. Off this side. So if we say something to fit 50mm. So the lid goes down to there. So we can't put anything higher than this. So I'll grab, I'll just measure it, hang on, I'll measure it. So 30mm. That's as high as we can go with the external bracket. So we've got to design something now, bracket wise. So it's going to be part of this anyway. So we need some kind of substantial thing, and it's better if it goes. It'll all be one anyway. So we have some structure on it. Right, let's just draw a line there. Let's draw a line there and get rid of that. And we're going to fetch this out. It's going to have to be fetched out a bit. It needs some strength to it. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll fetch it out just like that. And let's say, I don't know, not too much. Say 30 mil. 30 mil.
Shamrock 179, thank you. Good evening. Continue on the heading. What's your requested level?
So we've got 30 mil out and we want to come across here. So let's go across there to there, there to there, there to there. Right, so it's got some structure to it, bit of strength. I want a bit of strength. It's got a bit of weight in there with a stepper motor. So we need a we need to do that.
Shamrock 179, fly heading 300 degrees and climb flight level 170.
Fly heading 300 degrees, climb flight level 170, Shamrock 179.
Okay.
I
don't particularly want water resting on it, so give it a bit of a steeper angle. So we'll just yeah, we'll just drop it down a little bit. Although the top's flat anyway. No, we'll leave it flat. We'll leave it flat. And we don't need this bit of how you doing going on here, so let's sort that out.
Shamrock 308, call under control 134125.
Right, so how are we going to do this now? So we've got that there. I want this to be. Oops, what's going on there?
36 kilo X-ray descent flight level 170.
I'll tell you what, let's bring this up to there and fill this in.
Hotel, turn left heading 260 degrees.
That's 260 degrees, 831 Mike Hotel.
Shamrock 179 with a slow rate, climb flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180 with a slow rate, Shamrock 179.
Oh, it's not having it, is it? Why not? I don't quite know what's going on there. Oh. Let's just go like that and like. Is that it?
Right, 75 Kilo Lima, keep the speed at back decimal 79 or greater. 79 or greater, and 75
Okay.
Lima.
I don't know what's going on here, it looks a bit weird. Is that okay? Have I done the same this side? No. Didn't do the same that side, maybe I should. Yeah, we should.
Stephen London, American 142, flight level 370. American 142, thank you. Good evening. Redirect to Otmet for the Otmet 1 Hotel. Redirect Otmet for the Otmet 1 Hotel, American 142. Shamrock 179, climb flight level 320.
Flight level 320, Shamrock 179.
Easy 31 Mike Hotel, descend flight level 100. Flight level 100, easy 31 Mike Hotel.
Oh, what's this doing?
313, recall me please, 133.6.
Okay, so we don't need that. That's fine. So we got that like that.
Brimstone 09 uniform, it's radar control, call Dublin 135655, goodbye. Radar control 135655, it's on 09 uniform.
Okay, what's that like? That's okay, but we haven't got the ridge around it, which we want, so let's get that done.
Sunjet 313, recall me please, 1336. 133.6, stop it, 313.
We want to follow that up to there.
Sunjet 313. Thank you.
Okay, so we've got that there. Alright, we need to go around the other side. Do the same again. No.
Ryanair 1 Whiskey Mike, thank you. Good evening, Ridge Red Knockin. Red Knockin, thanks, Ryanair 1 Whiskey Mike. Easy 31 Mike Hotel, direct to Pomax, call Bristol now 12565, goodbye. Direct to Pomax, Bristol 12565, easy 31 Mike Hotel, bye.
Okay, so we've got that. So what I need to do now is drop it down. Probably easier said than done. Probably need to bring that up a minute like that. Maybe like that, so I can... Don't know if we need some of this. We'll take it away after if we don't need it. Yeah, I don't think we need some of it. So what I'm trying to do is grab hold of this and just pull it down by 1 mil, just so we've got the same angles on it. So probably need to get rid of some of it now. That one there, it's a little bit of extra, we don't need it. Alright, okay. Right, so I've got that outcrop, something to hang it off. And I suppose we ought to have a bezel here as well. Let's just give it a bezel so it looks the same. And we can pull that down by 1 mil, that's it. So is that okay? Or have we got something weird happening? Let's have a look. No, that's okay. Alright, so there's our outcrop. And yeah, it'll fill it in economically, so it won't be a solid block of plastic, but it'll fill it in, it'll still have some strength. So now we need to, let's just save that and make a somewhere we can put 2 cable ties or Jubilee clips around, whatever it is need to be. Also with fixing holes, so if you wanted to screw it, tech screw it or something to the pole, you could do, as well as cable ties. You got the option for both. So what width have we got here? 74. Okay, so it's not a bad size. So what I need to do now is make a shape to go upright. It's got to be able to be printed, so it will be able to be printed because it's printing it flat. And we've got to be careful that this will fit on the bed as well. It's got to be able to fit. It's got to be able to be fitted onto the build plate. So let's just have a see what we've got so far. 219, so we can go 256. Yeah, we're getting close to it. Right, so we've got a little bit of space left. So what I need to do now is get a centre line on here. Let's just do some geometry on it. Centre line. Right, so we've got a centre line. We need to decide what is good, what is going to be a good bracket to go. We don't need a lot. We just need to cover the curve, but we don't want a curve, we want triangles type of thing. So I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll just come out. So we're going to be printing it that way around, so well, we could print it that way, which is let me just have, that's the right way up. Yeah, so it's right, so we want to if I come out this way, center it there, come out this way on this plane. Doesn't need to be a lot, does it? Let's just say, I don't know, let's say 20 mil. 20 millimeter. And we'll go, we'll have another line. There.
London, hello, Turkish 8 Romeo uniform, flight level 380.
We want a triangle, so we need to come probably out. Let's just come along with this one out till it touches the there, and this one there. Right, let's just have a look. Are we okay? I think we're okay, like that. And let's just go from there to there, from there to there. Right, probably could make it ergonomic, but then you don't know what size the pole is. So if it's flat, it'll go against the pole. Yeah, it'll go against the pole. So let's go up. Let's just go 20 mil for now. 20 mil. Let's get rid of these geometries. And we'll go 20, well, go down to the level of this. And this. And we'll come down 20 mil. 20 mil. Right, so we've got something that'll fit in a varying size of pole. Yeah. Let's just give it the colour we want to give it the colour. So we've got a bit of a problem there. Oh no, is that a problem? Yeah, it's too thin. So what we'll do is we'll have to... Yeah, we should have come back there. Tell you what, we can still do it. Let's just come in a bit. Let's say, I don't know, say 4 mil. 4 millimeters. Okay. Let's give it the colour. Get rid of that now, and colour, and get rid of that one. Right, so we've got this weird thing going on. We don't need that. Yeah, it looks weird, but we've got to alter it to, right. So that's not very long. Let's measure it. 69 mil. 69 mil. Let's make it 100 mil. Oh, we've got a problem now because we can't do that. What we're doing there. No, because we've got to print it out. So that's going to have to go flush. That's going to have to go flush with that there. Oh, flush with that there actually. Yeah, so I've got a bit of modding to do here. Yeah, because we've got to print that out. It can go the other way, but it can't go that way. Yeah, it's going to be a bit weird.
Very good, camera 529 from level 360 and 1 passing.
Sorry, is it Shamrock 529?
529, correct.
Thank you.
Right, so we've got that there. Let's get rid of that.
JetBlue 1107, send you a CPLC message for its failed. Redirect to Zurich and descend flight level 140 level Zurich.
Okay, we're now direct to Zurich, descend flight level 140 and be leveled by Zurich, JetBlue 1107.
Right. Right, so get rid of that bit now. Oops.
Good evening, is the 82 Hotel Lima, descend flight level 220, level time.
Easy 82 Hotel Lima, thank you.
Right, so we've got that sorted out. So it looks a bit weird. It's probably too much. What's the size between there? 57. Okay, so it'll fit around a scaffold pole. 50 mil scaffold pole or smaller. What's the smallest pole it'll go around?
7880, when ready, descend flight level 200,
that's about right.
level 10 miles before let go.
So it looks weird.
280 knots, please.
So what I need to do now is bring that up.
200 level.
Needs to be 100 mil, I think. 49. So let's go plus 1 mil. So that's 50 mil. We'll bring it down. Another 50 mil. Oh, we need to have some holes in it. Yeah, we don't want this overhanging it anymore. Refuses to go. It's not having it. Oh, I see. Okay, so we'll give it what it wants. I'll give it what it's after. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, so we're probably gonna we'll just bring that up. Maybe it's not the right way of doing it. I can't get to it now. Right, so yeah, I need to.
Good evening, London, FedEx 5270, level 300. FedEx 5270, thank you.
Okay. Oh, that's not gone. Is that right? Doesn't look it, does it? No. Oh, might be. Right, I need to get around the other side now. This is awkward. Very awkward.
Camera 179, descend by level 200, speed level 10 miles before let go, and convert to 270 knots or less, please.
25 level 200, B level before let go, and 270 conversion channel 179.
Yeah, it's not really doing the business. Or has it done it? I lost it. Where's he gone? Okay, so I suppose we need, I don't know, it's all gone a bit weird. It's all gone a bit weird.
Right, I've got the air on the roof.
It's difficult to get the spin on it. Yeah, it's gone a bit crazy. So that's the angle there, so we just need to, right, don't know what's going on here. No, so just forget about it. Does it want to go there or there? I don't know. No, it's gone a bit wild on me. Right, I don't know. So it's just weirdness. Yeah. I've lost control of that. I can't tell what to do with it. Help.
EZ820 direct to Pomac.
Alright, what we need is, yeah, I need to go. Needs to go. God knows. Hang on. Alright, let's just bring that up here. 2 mil. Let's draw a line from there to there. Then from
Turkish
there
8 Romeo uniform, when ready to send by level 200, speed level 10 miles before let go.
I don't know what's going on anymore. Right.
Standing flight level 200, Turkish 8 Romeo uniform.
Okay, that's what I was trying to do. So yeah, up to there. That's it. Is that it? Yeah. So get rid of that one. Yeah, get rid of that one. Oh, why is that so weird? Oh yeah, it is weird because it is weird. It's weird because it's weird. No, we don't want to get rid of that. We want to. Okay, so we've got different angles going on. Right. Yeah, God knows. Let's get rid of these. Not sure.
Lima, call Bristol 12565.
2565 is the 82 Hotel Lima, good night.
EJ9 Whiskey Lima, Cardiff 125855.
5855, yeah, no, Mexican, thank you.
JetBlue 1107, call London 134125. Good day.
Right, what's going on?
I'm sorry, I believe it's here 134125 for JetBlue 1107.
Oh, Sam, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. So what have we got going? Oh yeah, that's it. That's sort of it. Yeah. Okay. Right, that's alright. Yeah, so we've got one there and we haven't got one there now. Oh well. Never mind. Right. Okay, so that's neat around the bottom. Is that 100 mil? Yeah. So I'll just grab. I'll grab the outline.
London, a very good evening, Ryanair 925, reclaiming flight level 230, direct departure requesting flight level 410.
Ryanair 925, London
Right.
good evening to you, climb flight level 330.
Okay. So we've got that, but we need some holes for the Jubilee clips or cable
Good evening,
ties.
EG92, Romeo, come back to site level 220 to be level 5.
And we need to make sure it can fit on the print bed.
Quebec, thank you.
It's quite a wide gap now. Got room for your cables to come out. So will this fit on the print bed? Let's have a look at it from above in plan view. So we've got from this corner down to the bottom 209, so it will go on. What about from this corner up to this corner?
EG90, Romeo, Quebec, descend flight level 160,
so
and
let's
you
go
can
from
redirect to Pomax.
4160, redirect to Pomax, EG90, Romeo, Quebec.
Well, let's go from this corner. Yeah, it should fit on. Should fit on. We'll try it in a minute. We'll export it and try it. Alright, so what does it look like now? Some weird thing. What does it look like? Why have I gone onto that? Alright. Weird looking thing. So you can take the lid off. Take the lid off at will. Gravity holds it on. So I've just got this bit. I'll take the lid off of it. So that's what it's looking like inside. We've got a lot of space. Maybe we don't need that much space, or maybe we do. Right, so we've got this bit. We need to put some holes in it next. So we want some holes. So we'll come and do the holes in a few seconds. I've just got to go away just for a minute. Back in a minute.
FedEx527,
Hello.
just stand by.
We're back. Right. Yes, it looks weird, but you have to manipulate the shapes. It all thing looks weird, yeah, I know. Right. So we want some ways to mount it. So the bottom, the weight's in there. So this bottom gravity will push it down this way against the pole. I suppose we ought to create a pole, hadn't we? What size pole? Let's say 40 mil. Let's just say 20 mil diameter.
FedEx5270, climb by level 320.
Climb to flight level 320, FedEx5270, thank you.
3 mil thick.
Call Bristol 12565.
About, let's just say it's, I don't know, let's just say it's, I don't know, 30 centimetres, 300 mil. Okay, let's put a layer, so the pole.
Hello London, I'm here to Bravo Tango, Ampo, level 380.
Pole.
28 Bravo Tango.
Switch pole on, switch pole off.
Ryanair to Bravo Tango.
So grab it from there, put it down here. If it'll let me, well, let's put it down here. So there's the centre. No, we don't want to move that. We want to move this. That's the centre. So I want to pull the whole thing this way. Bye.
Turkish 8 Romeo uniform. If I give you lower now, you're going to leave controlled airspace on that heading. Are you happy with the deconfliction service outside controlled airspace? Say again? On this heading, if I give you lower, you'll leave controlled airspace, you'll drop out of the airway. Are you happy with the deconfliction service?
What's that like? No,
We need 40 nautical miles for this weather on our route, Turkish 8 Romeo uniform.
Turkish 8 Romeo uniform, roger. Maintain level 200 then.
Maintain 200, Turkish 8 Romeo uniform.
that's close enough. Right, it's only representation anyway. So we'll go up, I don't know, let's go up 120. That'll do. Okay, so we've got this thing. It looks great. Oh, thanks Andy. Yeah, it looks great. I don't know if it looks great. Looks weird. I know about weird. Great, but weird. I'm just going with it. I can't wait to get the phone out and open your phone and just switch antenna anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world, switch the antenna. Yeah. But you could run on your app. You can get to switch and do a scan or swap antennas. Some radios have got a receive input, haven't they? Receive antenna, so you could just receive on various long wires and things. You know, if you're struggling to pick up somebody, you could, I don't know, run some random wires all over the place. They're no good for transmitting on, maybe, but you could just keep switching until you find a nice signal. And if you've got cat control, you could sell it to switch till it finds a stronger signal. I don't know. You should be able to do that. I think you can get the signal strength off the cat control for the. You've got your USB plugged in, and you've got your commands that. I haven't looked into it in great depth, but you issue a command and you can read a status of the signal strength from your modern day digital radio. So you should be able to implement some kind of switching. Switch and scan, switch and scan, switch and scan ultimately. Yeah. From the program. So all I've got to do now is I've got to put some holes in here. We might need to make that bigger, but I'd rather keep this the same. Let's see if the lid will still go back on. Yeah, the lid will go on.
135.
And you might want some holes in here to drop the cables down. Yeah, because you don't want to bend them. It will weaken it, but it won't weaken it that much. Because believe it or not, it adds strength to it. The holes will add strength to it. The way it 3D prints it, maybe.
London, good evening, Ryanair 37 Zulu Lima.
So what we'll do, we'll
Ryanair 37 Zulu Lima.
yeah, we'll take the
London, hello, easy 1
take these
flight level 220 leveling down.
off here.
Tango uniform, London Control, hello, fly heading
Copy them off
275,
there.
descend flight level 160.
275, descend flight level 160. Easy 13 Tango uniform.
Paste them in place.
Easy 38,
So it'll tell us where we want our holes roughly. If I bring them, move them down
Whiskey Papa, London Control, hello, director Webby, when ready, descend flight level 290.
on the face.
When ready, level 290, easy. 86 Whiskey Papa.
Let's make what we got size there.
Good evening, Ryanair 23 Charlie Golf, flight level
11 mil. So let's do 11 mil diameter hole.
Hello, director Monty.
Monty, Ryanair 23 Charlie Golf.
So go 11 mil, 5.5 diameter hole.
FedEx 5270, contact Shannon 134260. Goodbye.
134260, FedEx 5270, good day.
We've got a hole between the two. Huh? Leave it there for now. What I want is 5.5. 5.5 and
Easy 13 Tango uniform, director Tomax, descend flight level 100.
5.5. So I want to move that to there, but keep it there, and so I want it there without interacting with those. So I'll put them there for now. .5, 5.5, and we need to move them, grab them by there, move them to there. Yeah, grab that one and move it to move it to there, and I'll get rid of them in a minute. Move it to there, and let's get rid of these markers.
Easy 13 Tango uniform, contact Bristol approach 125650. Good night.
565, easy 13 Tango uniform, bye.
Easy Gate 6 Whiskey Papa, when ready, descend flight level 160, level by Webby.
When ready, descend flight level 160, level Webby.
So we've got some holes that you could thread your coax through. Now they're exactly 11 mil. So we need to send them through send them through to the bottom. Hang on. Let's see. So we've got 29 plus 2, 31 mil. Send them down 31 mil. And yeah, let's keep going. Down 31 mil. Oops. 31 mil. I suppose to help our coax get in. We do a 1 mil. 0.5. 0.5 of a mil. Oops, what's that done? 0.5. 0.5. And then we bring them down by 0.5.
Radar is 87 Uniform Whiskey, flight level 290, Jack Carno. 87 Uniform Whiskey, London Control, good evening.
Okay. So we've got the 3 little holes, and by doing that we've lightened it, but we've put strength here. Because these 3D print has to put so many rings, so it adds the strength to it. Okay, so we can come out the bottom of the bracket, that's fine. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, you might as well do the bottom as well. Looks like a cat now, big fat cat. Is that going to be the name for this thing, the fat cat? Is it a fat cat? Looks like a fat cat with 3 eyes. Anyway, it's all crazy. It's crazy. It's funny designing things just by just doing it. It's not really. It's sort of haphazard, isn't it? I don't know if it's a design, or whether you just, some things there's only so many places for you to put them. So I'm not sure if it's a design or not. Is it a design if you're putting them where the space allows? You don't have much choice. I mean, you do have a little bit of choice, but not a lot. Right, anyway, so we've got that there. That comes down. Now we need somewhere for some holes in here now. Yeah, so we've got holes there for the coax to go down the pole, if we want to. We want something here now. A breakout here, so let's design something. It needs to go as close to the edge as possible, so you can come round. Right. Tell you what I'll do. I'll cheat a bit because this isn't the way. Yeah. So I'll tell you what. I'll grab this and move the whole thing up by 50 mil. Now let's say 100 mil. Alright, it's not going to be that big really, but it's just allowed me to work on it. I can shrink it back down after. Right, let's I've got a flat surface here, so we could chop that up. So we could come in. Used to have a certain, probably elongated hole. Yeah, so we'll go, what we got there, 10 mil. Let's do 10 mil from each side. And we'll go down 10 mil. Alright, and then we'll go down another 10 mil. I've got down 10 mil. Is 10 mil off? No. 20 mil. Let's say 15 mil. And we'll come in from there. 10 mil.
Island 51 Bravo, descent flight level 160.
So we're 10 mil there. Do we go 5 mil
Descent
there?
level 160, okay, the 51 Bravo.
Yeah, I think we'll go this way. 5 mil. And that way. 5 mil. That way 5 mil. That way 5 mil. And then we'll do a elongate. Right, so we'll do another line at 7.5 mil. Then we'll do a circle. Right, can we do? I wonder if I could do this. No, it's not going to be there, is it? Hang on. I need to do half of that, whatever the half of that is. I've given myself a weird one, haven't I? Right, what have we got there? We've got 7.5, so 3.25. 3.25. No, that's not enough. 3.75. Yeah, there we go. So we'll go 3.75. So if I do a circle, like now they do a circle to there. No, that's not right. Messed it up a bit, haven't I? So, yeah, I know what I've done.
In London Center, good evening.
Right,
It's United
so
122 Heavy,
let's get
flight
rid
level
of these.
390. United 122, London Control, good evening. It's a Zurich 1 hotel arrival. Zurich 1 hotel, thank you. United 122.
3.75. 3.75. 3.75. 3.75. Now if I do a circle like that, I can either do it like that, like that, just draw a line from there,
Island 51 Bravo, descent flight level 100.
there.
Descent flight level 100, okay, Island 51 Bravo. Easy 87 Uniform Whiskey, when ready, descent flight level 160, level by Webby. When ready, descent flight level 160, level Webby, easy 87 Uniform Whiskey.
Alright, let's get rid of this. Okay, so we can get rid of these now. Right, so we've got these things we can push through. So to get them to come through, we'll just push them through.
Ryanair 55 X-ray November, yes would be mid-time please.
Like that. And like that. So I've got some holes, but we haven't. We need to intersect the faces with the model here. And will that give us enough? Yeah. So let's intersect the faces with the model.
Charlie Golf, when you're ready, descend flight level 300. When ready, descend flight level 300, T3 Charlie Golf.
Intersect the faces. Oh, hang on.
London Control.
No, I don't want to keep selecting new ones.
Climbing flight level 230, direct passage. Ryanair 350 Victor, London Control, hello, it's a Manig, climb flight level 370.
Intersect the faces with the model. Nothing to intersect.
Island 51 Bravo, contact Bristol approach.
Okay, we'll do it manually then.
650, good night.
We'll do it manually.
25 confirm, Island 51 Bravo. Hey, fine, good night.
Alright, so I need to, I tell you what, let's go like that. Right, and we'll select the surfaces. And there, and we should be able to intersect the faces with the model. Yeah. So we've got them now there. It's created 2 other lines down the bottom. Not much else has gone wrong. Let's have a look. So it seems to be okay. So now I should be able to grab those 2 like that and delete them. I should be able to.
Good evening, Lufthansa 982, level 380 in Monhotel. Lufthansa 982, London Control, good evening.
Okay, what have we got now? Let's have a look. So we've got 2 holes coming through it for our cable tie stroke jubilee clip or hose clamp, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what we've got going on here. Some extra stuff happened here. So we've got 2 at the top. We're going to need some more. Right, we're going to need some more. So how we get more is
370 Lima, descend now, flight level 340.
probably need one down here.
370 Lima, descend now, flight level 340.
Yeah, some down here. It's going to be a bit of a problem, but you get a cable tie around it. Maybe you put one hose clamp on it and one big cable tie. I don't know. So it looks a bit weird because it's on the edge, but never mind. Alright, so what we're going to do now is probably want some holes in case somebody wants to screw it straight to the pole. So we could do with a hole in the middle. Alright, let's do a hole in the middle. So there's your middle. I want the middle of that. Struggling a bit. Right, let's try a different angle. Okay, we won't do it that way, we'll just do it this way.
Right, November, descend flight level 100.
That way. So what size hole do we want? 7mm maybe? 7mm? 8mm? 7mm? Tech screw 5.5mm. Maybe 6mm bolt, so let's just say 7mm, 3.5. 3.5, so it's 7mm diameter. And we need to push it through. So if I can push that through to there, that's it. So you got your hole there. So we want another 2 of them. Can we get 2 more of them? $50. Right, so we're not part of the model, so can I intersect the faces?
Good evening, you 28 Delta Alpha, flight level 330, inbound to Wembley. 28 Delta Alpha, roger. December ready, flight level 290. December ready, flight level 290, you 28 Delta Alpha.
Yeah, we don't want to select that one at all.
Good evening, Speedbird 247, climbing flight level 260 at kick. Speedbird 247, climb flight level 300.
Climb flight level 300, speedboat 247.
Right, so we need to push them through. Can we push them through? Yeah, let's push them through. So we can do that one. And we can do these two. Actually, we don't need all that, do we? We just need to delete them. Yeah, they're already there. They're already there, yeah, so we just gotta delete them. Right, what we got now? These two things have come back again, don't know why.
London, FedEx 9147, level 340.
Right, so we've got two lots of holes.
FedEx 9147, g'day.
That should be enough, I would have thought.
Hello.
So we can reduce the whole thing down now. Let's see what we can do with it. So they're quite close together. Wouldn't it be nice if one of these was like it, but I want to print it flat, so I don't really want to mess with that. Right, let's see what the distance between there and there is. 92 mil. So if I select the whole thing, yeah, like that, and reduce it by 92 mil, less 10, so 82 mil. Let's bring the whole thing down by 82 mil. What we got? Yeah, so we've got something weird going on, but anyway, yeah, that'll do it. So that's it then. Yeah, we've got a bit of a taller than what it was there, so we've got, yeah, it's okay. Right, so we've got that. Oh, we've got the lid as well. On the pole. Yeah, so it's like I say, gravity out of it there.
Ready to some level 140, level by Zurich. Ready down to 140, feed level by Zurich. United.
We'll have to see what it looks like, see what it comes out like. Let's see if it can be made. Let's try to, hang on. Right, so I want to smooth it. Smooth.
Good evening, EC98 Papa Alpha 370.
Let's look at it
for the Pepsi 1 lead on Liverpool.
for
EC98 Papa Alpha London, thank you, and you can redirect to Monty for that.
So it looks like we've got a surface in there. Oh no, we haven't got the surface, we've got the wall, that's
When you're
fine.
ready, Keysam level 160.
Ah, I can see some old geometry we don't need. Let's get rid of the old geometry. Yeah, we don't need some of this stuff now. So we can get rid of it. Should be able to get rid of it, I think. Yeah. To get rid of some of this old stuff. Old geometry, yeah. Right, what's that like? So that's part of that now.
Right, 63 Golf Juliet.
We got some weird stuff going on here.
Route for you, route to Meadog.
Oh yeah, some old geometry.
Let go.
We don't need.
Let's go. Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet, thank you.
We don't need these pieces. Yeah, so right, that's the inner skin. No, it isn't. That's the outer skin. Yeah, so we don't need some of this. Let's get rid of some of this. Is that something to get rid of? Yeah. Don't need that or that. Yeah. Something else we don't need. Right, that's okay. Oh, there's a bit there. Got a bit of extra going on here. Right, so we got rid of that. Okay, there's a bit more over there. Right, what's it look like? Is that okay? Yeah, it looks okay. I've got another bit we don't need there. Okay. Anything else? Anything else we don't need? Don't think so. I think the rest is okay. What about this?
Stands on 982, when you're ready, descent level 200, be level 10 miles before let's go.
Oh, that's gone a bit weird there, look at that.
200, be level 10
See that
miles
there?
per
It's gone a bit weird.
982.
I must have grabbed that by accident at some point.
In London, United 122, start our descent for Zurich at 140. Yeah, 122, thanks. Just stop the descent initially level 250, I'll call you back.
6 mil.
No problem, stop the descent at flight level 250, United 122.
4 mil. So I need to grab that. No, I need to grab that and move it by. No, not the whole thing. How do we grab that? Maybe it's just that one. So it's 4 mil. No. Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do, just move it by. We'll make that 6 mil and join it up with that one. That's it. Get rid of that and that. And can we get rid of that? Oh, I need to go in the model now. That's going to be difficult. Oh no, I can come around the other side and do that. I could have come round here and done it.
Right at 23 Charlie Golf, contact Scottish 128.055, good day. 128.055, right at 23 Charlie Golf, good day.
What am I looking at? Right, so I just need to...
Logan 6 Lima Golf, thanks, climb level 200. River 247, climb level 340, redirect to Tamil. Flight level 340, dark Tamil, speedboat, 247. Logan 6 Lima Golf, report requested level. There's that 36.
Okay. So we're alright again. Back in X-ray mode. Let's keep having a look. Have we finished? I think so. Anything else? No, there's nothing else, is there? No, I think...
Logan 6 Lima Golf,
think that's
level
right.
240.
Yeah. I think that'll do it. Yeah, that's going to be okay. Right, let's come out of X-ray mode and smooth it. Export it as a STL. Right, so this is going to be the new bottom. So, weatherproof enclosure, the bottom. There it is. No, it's now the bottom. Yeah, it is the bottom, which contains the. Also, let's have a look what it's like in 3D now. Right, so that's the bottom. Let's go into Bamboo Studio. Oop.
United
Don't have it running.
descent level 140 level Zurich.
Don't have it running. I might have clicked it twice.
United 122.
So I was thinking you could have two of these.
My golf route director knock-in, climb level 280.
You could have multiple of these if you wanted and keep switching them. But
Delta Alpha,
yeah,
contact Cardiff
it's going to be mad.
125.855. Good day. 125.855, BC28 Delta Alpha. Bye bye.
Right, I think I'm loading too many. Yeah, I've launched it twice. Right, okay, there we go. Let's bring it over here. Okay, file, new project, import a project. That's just DL file. Is that the one? Bottom, 5th of 2nd, 2158. Yeah. Right, here we go. Here it is. What we got now? Let's have a look. Fits on the plate, so that's all right. So it can be made. This is going to take a while. This one, maybe 5 hours, 4 hours. Let me guess. Let's say it was going to take 4 hours 40 minutes. Right, shall we see?
63 Golf Juliet, retake the Lipco when you're ready. Descent level 200, level 10 miles before.
Just make sure it's detecting the colours. Yeah, I've got it there.
Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet. Yeah, level 10 miles before Lipco. Level 10 miles before Lipco, Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet.
Right, so we want that colour there, black. We put it in red. We want black. Slice it up. I guess 4 hours 40 minutes. How wrong will I be? Five hours 8 minutes. Yeah, so I'm short by a bit. Oh well. 5 hours 8 minutes. Now you could chop the top off and move them down, I think. It's better if we have it like that, I think. Right. So 5 hours. God, when is that going to finish then? Sometime in the morning. Oh well. Early in the morning. Now, is it going to be able to print these, or is it going to start to sag? I think it might be alright because they're rounded.
Yeah, certainly. On your box 2, it's 12765.
Let's just go for it. It didn't say anything about overhangs, did it? I'll tell you what we're going to do. What we'll do is we'll just go over here, support, enable support.
Control, FedEx 9147, request 360.
Skirt loops.
Level 360.
Outer, inner and outer
360,
brim.
thank you, sir. FedEx 9147.
Let's see what it does. Probably going to make the time longer.
602 Echo, thank you.
5 hours 41. Oh well. Oh my God! Look what it's done here. Ooh, I don't like them. I don't think we need them. Let's turn that off.
Traffic radio.
We don't need them. It'll make them old.
Very good. Even Max 8 November Zulu, flight level 400 approaching Northwest.
It would have told us if we didn't like it.
And route to ACOP and then access, the access on Mike arrival. Route to ACOP and then access, the access on Mike arrival. Command of Max 8 November Zulu. Logan 6 Lima Golf, climb level 320.
Alright, let's just see what it's like. Yeah, it's probably okay.
Good evening, it's Felix 52530, level 3.
Right, do we print it out or do we knock this down a bit? Let's just do it as it is, I don't care. I don't care. Right, here we go then. Oh, how much is it going to cost? £4.70 in plastic. That's a lot. Oh well. Never mind. Right, print it. Let's do bed leveling. We'll do a time lapse. Why not? Send. Yeah, the bigger it is, the more it costs in plastic. I don't know where it gets its calculation from, because I buy a whole roll for 11 quid. So 1 kilogram. Right. Yeah. What's this doing? I'll just let it run now all night. Hopefully, if it starts making a mistake, hopefully it'll knock the plastic lid off. If it knocks this, if it starts going wild, it knocks this off. It knows it's come off and it'll stop. So yeah, so I can't sit up all night watching it. So right, it's gonna waiting for the bed to reach its target temperature. Okay, so we've managed to work out how we're gonna make it fit on a different size poles. So yeah, it's one of them. Might need some more holes here, but anyway, let's just do that for now. Yeah, so the lid stays the same. Just have a flat one. Is there room in here for any electronics? There might be. I'll tell you what we didn't do. We didn't put any drain holes, but never mind, just have to not get it wet. And the stepper motor, it warms up. Actually, stepper motor, if you leave it energized, it'll be like a little tiny heater. So yeah, I'll switch it off between. You could switch it on and off. You could even make it switch on at random just to keep the place warm. Right, okay, let's just say that out. So that's what we've got so far. Hopefully it'll be ready. I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to keep doing new versions of it. So what's the total height of that? Let's have a look. Can't see. Why is that not measuring? So it's about 90 millimeters by, yeah, so it's 90 millimeters tall, so it's only like that when it's folded up. It's not too bad. So yes, anyway, I think that is going to be it. 7-3, mate, have a good one. Thanks for coming in again. Yeah, I'm probably going to end it there anyway. Now let's just see what it's doing. Yeah, I've got to publish these files as well. I was halfway through publishing them. I've got to create a list, like a bill of materials list. Well, that's what we'll do this week. This weekend we'll get this ready for people to be able to make. Alright then. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. 1 hour 48, that'll do, yeah. Okay, I've done what I think I've done what I said on the tin. Switch your pole mounting bracket, yeah. Okay, that's it then. That's me out of here. 73. Catch you all on the next one. I'm out of here. Bye bye. Have a good one.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.